Hope you have a nice day, and if not, try to make an effort to make it great for you. So today we will talk about that how to install Windows 11 on low-end PCs like who have not higher RAM and so on else. Now my friend, what is the step? First of all, check that my PC. Now if I try install Windows 11 on my PC, my friend, you can see on my screen that my PC is also in actually my PC does not meet requirements of Windows 11. So now my friend, you will ask me that how I install Windows 11 on my PC. So let me show you. Now my friend, from here you can also change how to set up downloads updates, and you can also check on that I want to help make the installation better. But in this case I don't check and don't change anything else. Now click on next. Is checking for update. It will soon complete a process of any second. As you my friend can see on my screen, this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Here's why. The process is not supported for this version of Windows. This PC must support TPM 2.0.1. So this PC does support secure boot. One thing more, my friend. What we're gonna do here? First of all, close this. Let me show you what is the reason behind that it shows another message on low-end PCs. So if you also got that message, so today we will try my best to clear that issue and it actually install the Windows on low-end PCs very easily. So what we have to do? First of all, go to sources folder, and from here go scroll down here. Let me show you. Let's see on that file, my friend, .dll. From here you can see .dll. It is the file, my friend. Now what is the concept of this file? If you click on that and open in notepad, so you will see it contains code. Now what are these codes, my friend? You can see here, scroll down, is too much. Now here are some things to understand. First of all, there are some codes written in that file that checks our PC when we try to install Windows 11, that if our PC meets the requirement, so it definitely install the Windows 11, and if not, so it shows an error message as you have seen already. Now what we can do, is there any technique we can do? Yes, of course, there are a lot of techniques, my friend. So what we will do here, first of all, go to my descriptions and download that file .dll. Now my friend, you will ask, it is also .dll, but my friend, here are some changes in that file that we have to that this file. If we replace that file with that file we have seen in sources folder, so it will not show on that message and we can easily install Windows 11 on low-end PCs. What we have to do, first of all, go and download that file. Check the link in the description. What you have to do, check the link in the description. Now if when you download that file, whatever you want and where you want to do, you can take it. First of all, go and controller command C, copy that file, go to that folder, sources again, and you can see controller command V. You can paste it here and you can replace the file in the destination. That is it, done. It is that process, and in this way you can easily install that Windows 11. Let me show you. Now if now you start to install, it is still loading. Now, my friend, you can change how to set up download updates and you can check on that. But in this case, I don't check and don't change anything else. Click on next. Loading. Now, let's see what has. I'm happy now. You can see applicable notices and license. You can accept. You can also getting updates and so on. And that is it, my friend. You can check to update. You can also change that how to install updates and so on. And as you can see, I have already installed this Windows on 11 on my PC. And let me tell you, my friend, my PC also does not meet the requirements. But in this way, I have installed that Windows 11 on my PC. Now my friend, I want to tell you one thing more. I had downloaded that ISO file from Microsoft official website. You can also download that Windows 11 official website from an ISO file. So, and one thing more, my friend, there is another technique that you just can try. I does not recommend it, my friend, but you can try. The recommended technique is that you should download that .dll file from the description and then same process that I have to. But my friend, there is another technique you can try. Just what is that technique? If you don't want to download that file from the description part, so simply go to sources folder and go to simply there is a .dll file, and you can also try to delete that file. In this way you can also install Windows 11, but my friend, it is not an efficient way. What is the efficient way? You should download that DLL file from the description and replace that file with that file, and simply you can install Windows 11 on any PC and laptops and so on. So that's it you can do, and that's all for today. Hope this helps you, and if it did, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, theory or tutorial. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating. Thanks for watching.